What would you like to say in your big
Nothing.
debut on video?
Nothing.
Anything pertaining to pancakes or something? Or those look tasty.
What about hers?
What? Whoa! You kids just keep eating. Thanks for appearing on my video.
You're welcome.
Pretty cool kids.
Yeah, mom's a cool kid now too.
I'm driving down 741 South, just south of Dayton, Ohio, and I saw a really cool car up ahead, like 3 or 4 cars ahead, and then I thought I'll never be able to catch up to that guy. He's going, I'm going, and then all of a sudden it started sprinkling and he's in a convertible, so I think we're going to be able to have a bit of an interaction. I do not know what this car is, but I know that it's unbelievably cool and very special. So I'm going on a side road I wouldn't even go down, but I gotta see this thing, and you guys have to see it too. And the plot thickens. A Lotus Europa just went the other way. Whatever it is in front of me, Packard, something with big crazy fins and taillights and just almost Batmobile styling. And I don't say that lightly. I know exactly what the Batmobile looks like, and I don't call every old car a Batmobile, but this has just kind of over the top features, and I gotta find out what this is. Check it out in the distance there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to this guy. I have a stop sign coming up, so I think I'm gonna get my first closer shot of this car. What do we have here? A Lincoln. Wow, I can't even tell you how pretty this car is. I'm gonna catch him though. Probably pull up in his driveway and make him feel uncomfortable. But we'll get to see what it is. Yeah, see what I mean? That's why I'm following him. It's a 57 Lincoln what?
Premier.
Premier. This has got to be just crazy rare. I don't know if I've ever seen one of these.
It's cool. It is.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Wow.
I got a bunch of cars. He said I could borrow one, and I said, how about the Lincoln?
Oh, that is just... My grandfather actually sold Fords through the 50s, 60s, 70s, then like early 80s. That is just... Man.
Yeah, it's all about, it's a great color on it.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It's the perfect color on it.
Do you know its drivetrain? Like if it's like a 292, 312 or...
It is a 368, which I'm not familiar with.
368.
I know Ford's had the 352.
And the 390, the other
Yeah.
FE motor. Wow, that is...
Yeah, he shows it. You'll see it at the Milford Cruise In on some Friday nights.
I'm visiting from Tampa.
Oh.
So I have some family and friends in Dayton, so I'm just coming back from there. Wow, just the little trim pieces. This is a gorgeous car.
Yeah, it's cool.
I love that big round, the little trim piece for the door opener there, that door handle.
Yeah,
Wow, this is stunning.
it's cool.
And how the brake pedal has 2 little
Yeah.
pieces coming down.
You need it too, because it's on the drum brakes. Ironically. Power windows, but drum brakes.
Wow, just even the subtle things, the door handles, it just gorgeous. And the little cover for the lock.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Oh, that is just so drastic on the
Yeah.
back end. Those fins are gorgeous. Like I said, it's got to be rare because I'm one of those guys. I've been to every show, every town, and this is just...
I wasn't familiar with the Premier, honestly. I was not. He has a Studebaker convertible in the same color. And that's one he would never sell. But he said it was the best driver of his cars.
That's just... I'm running out of words. Well, imagine trying to find a taillight lens for one of these.
I know.
You can really see... Did you ever see the the Futura before they turned it into the Batmobile.
Yeah.
Like that side kind of gill there and the way the fins go. Oh.
There's a guy that was at a cruise in. He has a replica Batmobile, but it has all the gadgets. He built it himself. And all the gadgets work. He even has machine guns that come out of the bat emblem on the door. And it spits out a 6-foot flame out the back.
Well, even the mirror. Just the trim is just, oh. I'll probably never see another one of these. And that steering wheel's gorgeous. The way the dash. Oh.
Racing the rain home.
I saw it kind of drop a couple of times and I was like, I hope this guy doesn't think I'm out to kill him. Wow. Yeah, I still have to make it to Tennessee today, but I had to follow you here. This is stunning.
I follow many people that are in cool cars.
Oh. Well, as I get back in the truck, I want to tell you that this guy has a YouTube channel, and as of this moment that I'm filming this, I don't have it, but he gave me a card, and I'm going to put his info down below because, man, that car, oh, that was a beautiful car. You should just see it in motion in front of you. It's just kind of unbelievably gorgeous. But I'm going to go find more. It's what I do. I stopped at a lemonade stand. 2 cute little girls with their mom out there trying to get together some money. Something about... Now, I don't know if this was true or not, but the girl said there was a hole in the floor of her bedroom. Like a $500,000 house that looks recently built. So I'm not entirely sure of that. But anyway... I had to stop at a lemonade stand with 2 cute little girls and their mom because entrepreneurialism. So I went ahead and got that little lemonade right there, and I got that cupcake. The one thing I want to tell you is whenever you see anybody with a lemonade stand or cupcakes or cookies with children, always stop. No exceptions. And always give them as much money. You know, don't go crazy on it, but show them you appreciate that entrepreneurialism. But from previous experience, they very rarely put ice in it. It must be a kid thing or something. It just dawned on me. I've been going south on 741 and I see the Eiffel Tower up here. No, not in France, but the one at Kings Island. I didn't realize I came this far, but it's right off in the distance there. I could see the tops of some roller coasters. There it is. Got a couple roller coasters. Kings Island! Man, that's a lot of stuff over there. Looks like they've been doing roller coasters primarily the last few years. There's probably, I don't know, 7 or 8 over there. I'm looking for cars, though!